Rotary Club of Shillong, in collaboration with the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, will organize a photography competition on the beauty and bounty of cherry blossoms of Meghalaya. The aim of the competition is to nurture and promote the individual talent. The theme is Meghalaya's Pride, Cherry Blossoms. The competition will enable people to dispel the gloomy spirit that has burdened them during the COVID-19 pandemic. The Rotary Club of Shillong offering a huge cash prizes to the winners. The selection of winning photographs will be done by a panel of judges based in India and Canada whose expertise is photography.
In collaboration with Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Meghalaya, on the theme Cherry Blossoms, Pride of Meghalaya. Our sole intention is to nurture talent, promote amateur photographers, and also ensure that nature is respected and viewed with the most beautiful eyes. Our endeavor is to create a tiny footprint as a location, Meghalaya, known for its cherry blossoms, and also to promote the state as a tourist destination, to see, feel and smell the nature's bounty of a cherry blossoms. The first prize is 25,000, second prize is 15,000, third prize is 10,000, which will be followed with 5 consolation prizes of 5,000 each. And we will have independent judges of India and Canada who will be judging the entries. May I now leave it to our Director of Publicity, Rotary Kailash, to
also. We want to promote Shillong as a destination for the best cherry blossom festival. Cherry blossoms, for your information, started only in 1980 in Shillong. Before that, it's not a native of Shillong. It was not there in Shillong. It was started in 1980s by the then Secretary of Forest, Mr. T. Aunok. And then the birds helped us. And it has spread. And today you see cherry blossom. It's become a wonderful thing. A small beginning. And today people from all over India come to see it also. But this year, because of the pandemic maybe, we couldn't promote it so much. But I'm sure next year onwards it will be a grand festival of cherry blossoms. Rotary Club, in its small way, is trying to promote that, to encourage more people and photographers to come and join this participation so that they come and see, because it's open to everybody. Anybody from anywhere, they can come and take photographs and join this competition. So that's all I have to say. And I'm sure this will become a very big event and a yearly event.